Okay, let's go ahead and final shape this one. Pop out a few of the really large bubbles. If you shape it this way again, where you're folding it this way, it'll just get longer. So a lot of times what I'll just do is go the other direction. There, now I got a really nice shape there, and I'm going to round the ends a little, more like a football. There, and I'm going to put that in the couche over here. There's the couche. And then I'll wait another 25 to 30 minutes to shape the second one. Okay, our first loaf's ready to go into the oven, which has been preheating at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius. Let's do some slashing here. Okay, I think we'll put that in the oven just the way it is.